Okay, now today is another crazy one. So, and actually today I'm trying to respond to Ngo Magine, Dogi Fresh bit kawaingo. Ni, how is he gonna explain to his kids that the reason why he failed in the music industry is because he doesn't have a sugar mommy? Alright, let's leave alone that. We have two people, two category of human beings. Magitika kwanya wakidongo industry mamekwane. Pegi keji iye. Jana yana gitika miukwany waka industry tika down. Amacheri sugar mummies. Mara gitika waka industry tika down mabe mada. Na Mario pe sugar mummies. Na Mario tiye. Tek gungu. Tek gungu. Tiye kadongo industry mamekwa. And let me tell you guys this. So back in 2013, 2014, when I was still working on TV. So I remember I visited Lawe Money, Lawe did. Eka machi harakalimu Lawe eone. Alego chim, kwanya ka go chim kong. Arati wait na mind piano. No well about that to piano what to get. So I got my gym. You remember those days they used to be around here, like they call it the messenger pop chats. Could again pa messenger when man ki karupo lebel dano kwanya tenine. Those pop chat messages messenger. So karma lego chim. I enjoy no luck. Okay. A lego chim, kama lego chim. Message ci lenge chala ngi en message gon kaw bieno tini papang de ci kar kon komane ner wi ga da. Okay, aner gini maraya message a kwano kome awa bi yabo kino ay bidaga ki ka da bu go gumti no go abi yabo kino be kwano. Now gina aner muti meni aner ma message mucho ani, man, I miss your dick. Ini nyawa de chwe gila cho, la chwe de chwe gila la cho de chwe la gila cho. Ani na nying la cho, de chwe la gila cho. La what done? Come on, ngare mo chwe message be betila reme Facebook ma arangi ni la cho. Hallelujah. Alright, so I'm gonna go through all these messages but I'm ngoma tiki iye. I have messages, doing I know messages, mugodo makitika bar, kere chokar bar, so widi gipange. I know messages, manyitika wachi, man, I miss the way you are splashing on my back. I like it. Hey, la cho, enitika wachi kita cho la wore. I miss the way you are splashing on my back. You can't imagine. Nacho, la way my guru. How never down the command down chair when down the chain of attack gunga. And get away. Can't go ngate or dagger and pidoka and nungina ana karake. And I ring mot. In all these years, almost like 13 years, almost 13, 14 years. Frati kar ki look in it for the first time. Engar ngayo vengeni chamona kere kar and pigini erone. Ngara be bere ki show na mani ka mani ganga juma ki no the link. Be mon kera. Ngera adiga spreading lock and lo ta kar ka. O chana ko ni jola tik lock bye.